Today I'm going to unbox and check out the Kinetic InRide power sensor. You can pick this up on Amazon. The price $50. I'll have a link in the description below. I just picked this up for myself to use it with my Kinetic Road Machine 2. So I figured I'd do an unboxing video. This won't be a complete review. I bought it, so I figured I would just share the unboxing with anybody that was interested in seeing it. All right, so what is this? This is a sensor that you mount to your bicycle trainer, and then you can gather speed, cadence, and power information with this. So that's a really cool thing about the Kinetic is that they do a simulated or an estimated power curve based on the information they collect without actually having a power meter. So let's check out the box. All right, it says ANT Plus Bluetooth 4. So ANT Plus is some type of wireless standard used by a bunch of bicycle equipment. Bluetooth, so you can use this with your smartphone. Train smarter. Turn any kinetic fluid trainer into a wireless power meter. And then Kinetic. Side of the box, phone, Bluetooth, sensor. Not sure what this is, maybe a heart rate monitor. Then the back of the box, Kinetic InRide power sensor, broadcast power, cadence, speed, distance, calories, training zones, and more. Works with ANT Plus and Bluetooth 4.0. Connect to smartphones, computers, or GPS watches, including Garmin watches. Works with fitness apps, including Kinetic Fit, Zwift, Trainer Road, Rory, Full Gas, and KinoMap. You can get an app for the iPhone at the Apple App Store or for Android from the Google Play Store. Includes battery, magnet, and grommet. Current, average, and max power and heart rate and time spent in each training zone during workout. All right, and then a little bit about their Kinetic Fit app. Current, average, and max power and heart rate and time spent in each training zone during workout. 200 plus built-in workouts, 29 training plans, personalized training zones, wireless workout upload. So that's for the app that you could use with this. You can check out KirkKinetic.com for more information about their products. Then down here it says computer use may require ANT Plus dongle. So I guess if you're going to connect this to a computer, a PC, then it might not work with the Bluetooth on it. You got to get an ANT Plus receiver. All right, let's get this out of the box. It doesn't look like it's taped shut. That's good. I don't need a knife. What else is in here? Bunch of paperwork. Installation guide. So that looks pretty similar to my trainer there. Installation guide. This is the 3.0 sensor. So this is the latest one. I think it came out in the beginning of 2019. And then they have installation instructions. So you take this grommet and the magnet and you put it in the back. You push the grommet in, then you put the magnet on a screwdriver, and then you push the magnet in. Okay, so it's showing you push the magnet in with a screwdriver, you're done. And then when you install the sensor on the back of your trainer, you need to line up a spot on that with the magnet. Now this thing has some sticky stuff on the back for mounting it on the back of the trainer. They show you that here. Clean off the trainer, peel off the sticky stuff, line it up. Then you can connect it with training apps. More information in there. This is the product warranty information. Here's the sensor. Sensor doesn't come in a bag, just tucked in here. This is a CR2032 battery, 3 volt. All right, and here is, I don't know, can you see this? This is the magnet and the grommet. All right, I figured I can show you this part. Don't know if I'll put this in the video, but decided to record it. So here is the sensor. I'm going to take a quarter and take the back off. So you turn that counterclockwise. And then you can put in the coin cell. Now there's some instructions there. It's pretty hard to read. I think it's just telling you how to put the coin cell in, which would be like that. Let me drop that in. All right, that's in there. All right, a little different than the previous version of the sensor. It has these feet on there that need to line up into the holes. And all right, that's it for the unboxing part of the video. All right, I'm back. It's sometime after the unboxing and just going to give you a little update and maybe rant a little bit. So if you're interested in hearing about that, stick around. But the unboxing portion of the video is over. So I bought this to use it with my Kinetic Road Machine. I think it's a Road Machine 2.0. And I wanted to replace the version 1 sensor that I had. Now, I wanted to use this sensor with the Wahoo Fitness app. I have it here on my iPhone. Unfortunately, it's not detecting the sensor. If I go into the settings and sensors, and then try and add a sensor, I'll just pick up the magnet and run it in front of the sensor, and you'll see it's not detecting the sensor. Now, I know that the sensor works and that you can activate it that way, and I'll show you, because with the Kinetic app, you'll see that the sensor is detected, and you can go in and see some details about the sensor there. So it will work with Kinetic's Fit app, but it's not working with the Wahoo Fitness app. Now, the whole reason I bought this was to replace the version 1 Kinetic InRide sensor. And that was a little different. That one had technology in it from Wahoo. It was the InRide sensor powered by Wahoo. And I used that for years with the Wahoo app. But I updated the Wahoo app foolishly, and it stopped working. Initially, it stopped detecting speed and power. It was just detecting cadence and distance. Now, it doesn't detect cadence anymore. It just detects distance. That's it. So I don't know what I'm going to do. Probably I'm going to end up having to switch to the Kinetic app. A little disappointed about that. If I look in the history here, I've gone 18,000, almost 18,500 miles with the Kinetic app, and I'm going to need to switch out of this to another app if I want to continue to get all the information. Now, this all started back in 2015. I was riding the trainer and I was using the original sensor with Kinetic's InRide app, their older app, and I installed an update of that app, and the update failed, and I essentially lost all my data because they told me the only way to recover it would be to delete the old app and lose all my data and then install it again. And for whatever reason, I just decided I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to go through this again with Kinetic. So I switched to the Wahoo app, and I was pretty happy with that. So I just kept using it. Now, I guess in the end, it all really doesn't matter, because the important thing is to get on the trainer and ride it and get some exercise, not log all this data. But it's nice to have. It's nice to watch when you're on the bike, considering you're sitting there turning pedals and not really going anywhere. I don't remember if I said I'm using this sensor with my iPhone 10, and it would be connecting via Bluetooth. It might be possible that the Wahoo app would recognize it if I could figure out how to use Ant Plus. So I would need something to bridge the Ant Plus from the sensor to the phone. And I think there are some ways to do that. I think I had a heart rate monitor or something at one point that acted as an Ant bridge. I'm a technical person, but when it comes to this, I ride the trainer almost every day, and I just really want to be able to get on the trainer, ride for an hour, and then be done. And any kind of extra maintenance I have to do is just more time I need to find in my day to deal with all this stuff. So I definitely wanted something that I could set up and forget about. And for the most part, the Road Machine with the old sensor and the Wahoo app was that I would just ride every day, minimal maintenance, low overhead. But now I'll need to make the decision to switch to another app. All right, I think that's enough of a rant. I'll end this video here, and I will talk to you again next time.